So, this is taking me a moment to talk about it, but Dove, right? Cynthia, whoever the hell that is, nobody cares, okay? Side note to Dove, nobody cares about Cynthia. Do I care? Nope, don't care. Anyway, when Cynthia made the character that she made, right? Like she made like the super awesome, like thick, like pretty cool ass character. And then like she felt bad about it, but like nobody else but her felt bad about it, okay? So maybe that's Cynthia's problem because like it seemed to me that in the video that I saw with Dove, seemed like that the game that she was playing, like she could have created whatever character she wanted, and the character she wanted to create was one that didn't look like her. That ain't my problem, homie. It's not your problem. That's not anybody's problem. That's Cynthia's problem. So what I'm getting at here is maybe next time don't do that, you know? Because, like, I'm fine with whatever you want to make yourself. I'm fine with what I want to make myself. Sometimes there's characters in certain video games that I make myself a chick. Guess what? I do not identify as a chick ever in my real life. But sometimes in video games, maybe I do. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that that's Cynthia's problem and not mine. Dove, wake up. Stop being woke. Because you know why? Woke is dumb.